In this video, I want to show you how to repair your computer. You know how everybody has computer problems from time to time, and instead of taking your computer to a shop all the time, I want to show you what you can do to keep it running. That's what I do on my channel. My name is Mike Locascio. My channel is about computer repairs, any computer related question you have, any problem that you're having, anything you want to know about your computer, how to make it faster, an issue that you're going through. Just send me a message and I will help you out. As soon as I get it, I will respond to you. Because I've been doing computer repairs since 1996. My company is mslcomputerservice, and I live in Melbourne, Florida. I've been doing remote computer repairs over the internet all over the United States. Also, I do on-site service where I go out to people's homes and fix their computer problems, and people drop their computers off at my location. So it's it's been a really good, positive thing. And one of my passions is that to help people to be able to take care of their own computer. In other words, if you have a small business or if you're a home user, you just have these issues that come up, and you might not have the money, or you might not want to take your computer to a repair shop all the time. If it's a desktop, you always have to take unplug everything, and it's pain. You gotta carry it to the car, and then you gotta drive to the place and wait maybe a week or two. And I cut out a lot of that stuff for people because I can help you over the internet. And my fees are, if I do remote, where I go onto your computer and make changes to it, my fees are about half what people charge. And all my training is free. You can ask any question on my channel, and the answers are free. I don't charge for anybody for anything that they want to know. The only thing that I ever charge for is repairing your computer if I'm going to do it myself. But like I said, my passion is to teach you how to do things on your own, how to maintain your computer day by day, how to keep it running good, how to do maintenance, because like a car, your computer gets clogged up with different files and going to different websites from day to day, and what happens is eventually it starts slowing down, and then you know how you see like pop-ups coming on the screen, or you click on your Google Chrome and it doesn't take you to where you want to go, and things are popping up, and you're getting spam, and you're getting a lot of ads that you don't normally see, and all kinds of stuff can happen. So that's what I do, and I want to be here for you. I make videos every couple days, so subscribe to my channel. My name is Mike Locascio. My company is MSL Computer Service. I work by myself, and I want to be a resource for you to keep your computer running, and anything that question or any concern you have about your computer, you can call me or you can send me a message here. But make sure you like my channel and subscribe. I have 50 or 60 other videos that will teach you about your computer and about what I do. So make sure you watch some of my videos and you'll get a lot out of them. And my phone number is 321-557-0704. If you have any questions, or if you want to make an appointment for me to look over your computer online and see what's going on with it, I'll be glad to do that. Usually I'm on Eastern time, so usually the best times for me is in the morning. You can always contact me in the morning. Also have a website you can visit, and it's called mslcomputerservice.com. You can learn some things on there and see all the different services that I do. There's a chat box also. You can even chat with me on there and ask me questions on there. and I'll be glad to answer them. I get that message like instantly when somebody sends it. But the best way to reach me usually is calling, or you can also email me at mslcomputerservice@yahoo.com. I check my emails every day, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So if you have any kind of computer issues, watch my videos, type whatever kind of issue you're having, schedule an appointment for me to check out your computer online over the internet, or any other concern or question you have about what your computer is doing or how's it acting and what things are going on, and I will definitely get back to you with an answer, and I'll do whatever I can to help you. So again, make sure you like my channel, subscribe, and watch some of my videos, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. This is Michael Locascio, MSL Computer Service. I'll see you in the next video.